Welcome back to another video. My name is Motion FX, and today I'm gonna break down this W trade I called live in a Discord this morning. I personally made $500, so I'm gonna get into this trade and show you guys how I made some money today. Now, as you guys can see right here, this is the trade we caught. It was on US 30. It was a 1 to 2 risk to reward, and it was a beautiful, easy, simple trade. I'm gonna break down this trade and show you guys why I took this setup. So I'm gonna clear the charts. And the first thing I'm gonna do is mark the candle I came into the market on. So every morning I come into the market at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. EST. Gives me 30 minutes to mark up my chart before market open. Market opens at 9:30 a.m. Okay, so I came into the market on this blue vertical line. Everything after this blue vertical line, we're not gonna be worrying about it right now. Okay, so I went on the higher time frame, the 1 hour time frame, and I seen that we are in a downtrend. Okay, we are in a downtrend, right? We're making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, whatever. So we are in a downtrend, right? Now, what I saw was price broke out the trend line and broke these like the recent structure points. So as you guys can see, we have a structure right here. See, we have a little resistance right here that price fell below, came up, respected it, came back down, and then we broke the structure, and then we broke the trend line. So I knew that price was gonna go in an uptrend. Price was gonna start pushing upwards. So I was looking for buys. I was no longer looking for sells. Okay. So now that we know we are looking for buys and not sells, I went on a 5 minute time frame and I marked up my resistance and support zone. So I came in on 9 o'clock, right? And I seen that we had resistance right here. We had support right here. So now that we have our resistance and support zone, originally what I wanted to see was a breakout of this resistance zone to the upside to keep pushing up because we are looking for buys. Once again, if you guys watch my videos, you guys know my strategy. I trade breakouts at 9:30 a.m. or anything after 9:30 a.m. So if we are trending to the upside, I will be looking for a breakout of the resistance zone. If we're trending to the downside, I will be looking for a breakout of the support zone. So in this case, I wanted to see a breakout of this zone right here. This is the resistance zone. Now we got closer to 9:30. 9:30 hits, we got to break out the support zone. So I knew I wasn't going to take that trade because that's going down. That's not going up. That's not breaking out of the resistance zone. So I was patient. I waited for another setup at about 10 a.m. and I just followed price, followed price. Price created support right here. Price created support right here. And I seen that we had a resistance right here. So I marked it. Now all I wanted to see was the same thing. I wanted to see a breakout of our new resistance zone, which is this zone right here. So I wanted to see a breakout of this resistance zone, and I want to see price keep respecting this support zone. Now, as you guys can see, 940 hits, 945 hits. I still didn't take the trade because I take trades. Okay, so I look for entries at either 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., or 11 a.m. So as you guys can see, price broke out of this zone at 9:45, right? So I didn't take that trade. I wanted to wait and make sure we got a good entry, a good entry on this trade. So going to 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, and as you guys can see right here, 958, 958, price came back below the resistance zone. 10 o'clock, price was still below, right? And then at about 10:05, we got a breakout. As soon as I got that breakout right here, I entered for my buy position. I put my stop below the support zone. We had a huge stop loss. I rather be safe than sorry, so I always put my stop loss below the recent zone or the recent support zone. In this case, for the whole week, US 30 has not been the best pair to trade. So I wanted to play it safe and I had a huge stop and I just targeted a 1 to 2 risk to reward like every time. Targeted a 1 to 2 and be cashed. It's the same thing. I took partial profits at a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So that was about right here. I took partial profits about right here. As soon as we hit that 1-to-1, and I just target a 1-to-2 at my full TP and recast. Now, it's that simple, that easy. All you got to do is just go on the high time frames, identify market structure. If market is making lower lows, lower highs, then we're in a downtrend. And you draw your trend line. If market is making higher highs, higher lows, we're in an uptrend. You look for a breakout of the resistance zone if we're trending to the upside, and you look for a breakout of the support zone if we're trending to the downside. It's that easy, that simple. It's a really simple strategy. It's very easy to learn. If you guys want to learn the strategy and trade like me every single day in the Discord, I trade live every single day, every single weekday in Discord. I trade live. Just click the link in the description below. It's completely free, no cost. Just join the Discord, join the family, and make some money with me. Follow me on Instagram at MotionFX. Follow me on TikTok at MotionFX, and start your trading journey.